Welcome to FASAHAR ZAMANI. On this tutorial, I want to show you on how you can connect Xender with your Android phone and also send files. The first thing you need to do is very simple and it's very easy. You just need to follow the below step. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to Xender in your Android phone. When you go to Xender, you have to open Xender. When you open your Xender, after your Xender have been opened, you need to click on the top plus icon. If you are using updated Xender from your Android phone, then click on the plus icon. Then from the top you can see connect to PC. Then you can click on connect to PC. Then here is give you an option. Is either to connect with the web connection, which means you have to connect it using the internet connection. Well, if you don't want to connect it using the internet connection, then you can connect it through your hotspot. Then click on hotspot. After you click on hotspot, then you click on create hotspot. Open setup and open the location. Wait your hotspot to be open. Then from in your system, then you have to click on the network on your system. Then after you click on network tab, then you can see Android share. Then click and connect. Then it gives you to put your security. Then in your Android you can see the security. After the first connect to your PC, blah blah blah. Then password. The password, then you can put the password is 978378229F and 07. That is the password. Then it is mean the password, it can be different from your own with my own. Then whenever you are trying to connect a Xender, you can get a different password. Then you have go to your browser, either Opera Mini or Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. You can use any one of them. Then when you go to your Opera Mini, then you have to click on search bar. There's a number in your Android phone. You can see there's a number in a white box. The number is 192.168.43.1, then colon, then 33455. That is the number. Then click on enter. When you click on enter, you will receive a notification in your Android phone that the system is trying to connect with your phone. Then you have to accept it. Then you have to wait for a moment, as you can see from the Android device. Then that is that. You can close this. Then look at how it is. Then you can easily send files, either picture, video, music, document, or any kind of files. And you can even enter the storage, your storage device, to see files or navigate. If you want to upload a video, then click on the video. When you click on the video, click on upload. Then you have to search for a video that you want to send to your Android phone. For instance, I want to send, let's see, this video. Then when you click on the video, then click on open. If you can observe, the video is now start coming. You can click and see the status. Your video have sent successfully. And also, if you want to send from your phone to your laptop, then you can click on this tab. Look at it, this tab. Then click on it, files. Then you have to navigate to where your video is located to. For instance, you have a video in your storage phone on Xender. Then you have to click on Xender. Then on video, click on video. Then this video I want to send it to my PC. Then you can download. Look at it. This is the download. Then download. It will start download it to your PC. And after you download it, you can find whatever you download or send to your Xender in your download folders. You can see it in your download folder. You can find any file.
This is the video I downloaded. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check out more.